So two of the major stories going around in the news in the country today are quadruple murder in Montego Bay, former national goalkeeper among 4 killed, double murder in Spanish Town, Good Samaritan killed while assisting stranded motorists. 6 within 24 hours at the peeps. 6 within 24 hours. All men, all murdered. Why? Who knows? So, violence has once again reared its ugly head in the second capital, Montego Bay, as the latest incident has left 4 men dead. It is believed that about 10 p.m. last night, a group of men were watching TV along William Street and a car approached. Men alighted, opening fire, and when the shooting had subsided, 4 men were discovered suffering from gunshot wounds. They were subsequently taken to the hospital where they succumbed to their injuries. Different media sources are saying, I see in the Star where it's saying 4 were shot but 3 died, 1 is injured. Other sources like the Observer are saying 4 of them were killed. One of the deceased is former SEBA and national goalkeeper Devon Kid Harris Dunkley. The other 3 only have been identified by their aliases. One of them is Blacks, who is a carpenter. Another one is Raphael, who is believed to be in his 50s and was a former lifeguard. And the other one goes by the name of Gabriel. In Montego Bay, you never know what the situation is. Was it reprisal? Was it gang related? Was it linked to lottery scamming? Was it these men were just in the wrong place at the wrong time? Who knows? You understand? But 4 men would have been killed. So 4 family would have lost a member of their family. Most of these men would have been fathers, I'm sure, probably even grandfathers. You understand me? And their lives were just taken just like that. Zane, I'll keep an eye on the situation as it develops.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
So yesterday I also saw a double murder in Spanish Town where a Good Samaritan was murdered along with somebody who he was rendering assistance to. The reports are that about 2:30 p.m. 39-year-old Norman Morris from Western Park in Maypen apparently developed mechanical problems and was being assisted by Rufus Henry of St. John's Road along St. John's Road. So he was trying to get his car jump started and men approached them and opened fire, hitting both of them multiple times. They were taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where they both succumbed to their injuries. I have no idea what would have led to that. Was it a case of robbery? Was it a case of them a look for a man and them just find him and somebody else did it? And I don't know. All I know, it is very sad. It is unnecessary. It is not good for the country and we need it to stop. You understand what I say? We need it to stop. Boy, it come like say if you car broke down a Spanish Town if you just left your run gone here, sir.
Them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So peeps, I will not pretend that I know the motive for any of these incidents or any of these murders. What I do know is that it is a situation where enough is enough. We have had enough. We cannot take anymore. We need a stop to this. Like from yesterday, the man them need for stop it. You understand what I say? The man them need for stop it. And the man them now, remember you know, there's a saying says, live by the gun, you're gonna die by the gun. You understand? So today when you kill somebody, tomorrow somebody are gonna burn someone. You see me I say? And then someone will walk around and kill people and end up where sometimes the man them will come back for me can't even find an innocent family members them kill, kind of all of the family members them know what them are going on, you know. Yes, some mothers and girlfriends and wives and sisters know what the man them a do a road, you know, because of them and wash the bloody clothes them and help stash off a gun them or something. But some family members have absolutely no idea what them family members are do a road, and sometimes unknowingly they pay the price for being family to these dumbass men. You understand what I say? So you know must catch you know, but I catch your youths them. You understand? It will catch your family, your parents. You want to be careful. You understand? And to law-abiding citizens of this country, I know that we are living in a constant state of fear. See, but you have to be alert, you have to be vigilant, you have to be aware of your environment, you have to know the no-go zones, you have to know the do's and the don'ts, you have to have your wits about you and always follow your instincts. I advise the man them, stop sitting on the roadside and play them, you know. You understand me? I say, stop sitting on the roadside in a group. Because more time I'm not even we, you know, somebody who did it with we, and when the man them come, them just spray everybody. You understand me? I say, wrong place at the wrong time, wrong company. You see me? I say, so we have to be careful. We have to be careful. I know it's sad for now, so we can't sit down with the bridge in the street, have a talk, have a drink, play some domino, you understand? Look to a girl without being in fear for our lives. But we don't know who is who, we don't know who or do what. You understand? And when the man them come, the man them no business, the man them just a burn everybody where did it. You see me? I say, so I just, boy, I don't know. It's sad though. When will it stop? Will it stop? Why is it continuing? Why is it getting worse? What is being done about it? What can be done about it? All me I say, each person have to look out for themselves and try to secure and protect for them own life. You see me I say, and the life of your loved ones. I just say thing that right now you think Red Road. You see me the pan? Walk good peeps, I'm out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.